See here, I can get it to record. It's recording. My little setup here with a little ring so that it doesn't, oh, maybe I can do it this way, so it doesn't suck dirt into that hose.
Hi, kids.
And there's a pool pump. Running water. You want to grab that flashlight, Rob?
Not really.
Please? Running all the way over here. We're waiting on a flashlight. We're running all the way over here. This is where the water ends, right here. And then we go through this puddle over here to where the water is running out. Okay, back that way. I want you to stand in the water over there somewhere. Yeah, there we go. That's nice and deep. Shouldn't be that deep. Shouldn't be any there. This is insane. Yeah, my little pool pump came in handy.
This is higher than most shoes that people own.
Yep. Yep. Well above your top of your feet. Yep. Big puddle, and it's deep in here too. Back in here, I don't know if you guys can tell how deep up. Whoa! How deep up the water is in here, but it's deep in here. Careful, don't splash me. It's gonna go over your boots. Watch it.
No, it's not.
It's close.
But you see that, kids?
That's deep. Yeah, it's bad. Wow. Yeah, so we're flooded. Pretty good.
Bring boats! Help!
Noah's Ark. We need Noah's Ark.
Fuck me, I almost
Here,
wiped out.
shine it in here a little bit. I've got my little hose held down with a brick under that red panel down into the hole. And that's where it's sucking water from. All the way to over there. And there's my car. And the neighbors are over there freaking out. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you any of this.
They're not freaking out as much as they were.
Oh, but they are. They're over there. They got a mess over there too. Their whole driveway is flooded. I don't know if I can get you over there any closer to see it. Oh, they're settled right down compared to what they were doing over there. They were going crazy over there. Their whole front parking lot was flooded.
It's still flooded and flowing down.
Yeah, it's still flowing in, but that's a pump running now. They got a pump running there. Anyway. Alrighty. Back to our stuff.
Can we go home now?
We are home, unfortunately.
I know.
Let me zoom out here. Yeah.
Well, from the way that the pine needles and shit are going, it's all flowing out a bit now.
Yeah, I'm hoping so. Hoping so.
Oh, hey, did you see the runaway paint can?
Yeah, I know. They're trying to get away on us. They were back over here. And they're all floating away. Don't fuck around in the water too much, buddy. You're going to get dirt in my little thing. But yeah, all the way out there. Shine the light over there by Larry's truck for a sec. No, the pointy end, Rob. In the water. To the left of it. To the other side. Yeah.
It's the best you're gonna get.
I guess it is. It's not really showing up, but yeah, all the way down the one side of the driveway. Anyway, okay.